How to apply audio effects in AudioDirector. First of all, open AudioDirector on your computer and load the project that contains the audio you want to enhance. Next, go to the Apply Effects section where you will find a wide range of audio effects to improve or modify your sound. You can choose from effects like Reverb, Echo, Phaser, Flanger, Chorus, Delay, Dynamic Range Control, Equalizer, Stereo Expander, Voice Effects, Radio and Phone, as well as any custom effects you have created. Start by selecting the effect you want to apply. Each effect comes with presets or allows you to adjust custom parameters for precise control. For example, with Reverb, you can modify room scale and delay time. With Echo, adjust delay time and feedback. Always use the preview feature to hear the changes before applying them. You can apply multiple effects to the same track for a more complex and polished sound. Experiment with different combinations to enhance vocals, instrument, or entire music tracks. Once you are satisfied with the adjustments, click Apply to save the effects to your project. Now you know how to apply audio effects in AudioDirector. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more audio editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.